Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutzel speaking. In this video, we are going to examine insert feature number 11, link, for the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. When I click on insert and then click on link, the following menu appears. I can now insert a link for any website into this part of the menu and then put text for that link in the box above it. So for example, if I have a very long link for an article online, I could copy and paste it into this box. Alternatively, I can search for the website I would like to have linked within my Google Doc, and then I can write the text for that link. So for example, while I could put in the name of the website, I could also put other text, such as instructions. Once I have chosen the text for my link and made certain that the link is the correct one for my Google Doc, I can click Apply and it will insert this hyperlink within my Google Doc. This can be very useful for adding additional resources to any type of document. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.